Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you how to set up and operate this magnetic levitation moon lamp. Firstly, we need to make sure the power supply is on and connect the power adapter with the base. And we need to place the base on a stable, flat and non-metallic surface. Then we can hold the moon with both hands and make sure the bottom of the lamp is aligned with the center of the base. Now we can place the moon vertically downwards. During this period, you can find the lamp is flickering and there are some force from the edge of the base to pull the moon into every direction, so you couldn't release your hand so quickly. We can try several times to find the center. When you feel the moon is on a stable condition and the light is on consistently, you can release your hand slowly and gently. And now the moon can rotating automatically. And we can touch the button to change the color of the moon.